Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Some things in life are a given, and one of these things is the fact that we need to wash our hair. Be it for cosmetic or hygiene reasons, we always turn to shampoo to help us wash our hair. The problem with this is that most of these products contain unpronounceable names that we know nothing about. So why not try and make your own shampoo? In today's video, we're going to teach you how to make your own shampoo with natural, inexpensive ingredients. The resulting product hydrates, nourishes, and conditions, and leaves your hair feeling shiny and beautiful. However, the number one benefit is the fact that it doesn't contain toxic substances such as parabens, which have already been tied to cancer in certain studies. But before we show you the recipe, we're going to talk about the benefits of each of the ingredients. Honey. Honey is rich in vitamins and minerals. When used in your hair, it serves as a hydrating agent, making your hair shinier, smoother, and stronger, and keeping it from developing split ends. Coconut. Coconut is an antiseptic. It fights against fungi, and it deep cleans your scalp. Furthermore, it fights oiliness from the roots of your hair to the ends. Aloe vera. This powerful plant is great for your skin and hair. It's mostly used to fight hair loss and improve hydration. Castor oil. Castor oil strengthens your hair follicles and is rich in vitamin E, which lessens the negative impact of free radicals on your hair's roots and scalp. Furthermore, it stimulates hair growth and has antifungal properties that prevent dandruff. Now that you know about the benefits of the ingredients, here's the recipe. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 1 bar of coconut soap, 1 teaspoon of bee honey, 3 tablespoons of castor oil, 1.5 liters of filtered water. Instructions: cut the soap and boil it with the water in a stainless steel or glass container, never aluminum. Whenever it's diluted, turn off the heat and add the honey. Wait for it to cool and add the aloe vera gel and castor oil. Mix well and your shampoo is ready to be used. Pour it into an empty, clean shampoo or conditioner bottle. It is recommended that you use this shampoo twice a week. Before you use it for the first time, try it on your skin and wait for a few minutes in order to make sure you aren't allergic to any of the ingredients. If you don't see any irritation, you may proceed. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.